Welcome to the course Basics of Quantum Resilient Blockchain. This course is brought to you by the Quantum Security and Defense Working Group. Let's dive together into how quantum technologies are shaping blockchain security. This course is called Basics of Quantum Resilient Blockchain because it's designed for beginners. You don't need a technical background, just curiosity and open mind. My name is Anna Beata Kalisz-Hedegaard, and I, along with Michał Krelina, have prepared and designed this course for you. The creation of this course has been sponsored by Crown Network. Blockchain has changed industries by providing secure, decentralized systems. But quantum computing introduces new challenges to the cryptography that protects these systems. In this course, you'll learn how quantum technologies impact blockchain. We'll explore threats like private key attacks and smart contract vulnerabilities. You'll also learn about quantum-safe tools, such as post-quantum cryptography, quantum key distribution, and quantum random number generators. Our course has 5 modules. In Module 1, we will introduce blockchain basics and give an introduction to quantum technologies. In Module 2, we will talk about quantum threats to blockchain. In Module 3, we will introduce quantum-safe cryptography to protect blockchain security. In Module 4, we will talk about quantum technologies like QKD and QRNG. And in Module 5, we will discuss real-world applications and strategies for quantum-safe blockchain. We will finish the whole course with a final exam to test your knowledge. So by the end of this course, you'll understand how quantum computing impacts blockchain, you will recognize quantum threats and how to counter them, and learn about quantum-safe tools like PQC, QKD, and QRNG. Additionally, you will get familiar with real-world use cases and strategies for quantum-resilient blockchain. When you complete the final test with at least 70%, you will earn a certificate and a badge. These credentials are verified and you can share them also on LinkedIn. So see you in Module 1, the Introduction to Blockchain and Quantum Technologies. In this module, you'll learn the basics of blockchain and quantum computing. You'll also explore how quantum technologies play a role in securing blockchain systems. Let's begin.